Welcome back to the channel. Valve operation safety, preventing water hammer. In maritime fluid systems, particularly steam, condensate, and high-pressure liquid lines, water hammer is a sudden pressure surge caused by rapidly changing flow velocity. The resulting shock wave travels at high speed, generating excessive noise and localized pressures that can shatter pipe joints, crack valve bodies, and detach structural supports. The core cause of water hammer in liquid lines, like cooling or ballast, is the rapid closure of a valve. Imagine a heavy column of water moving through a pipe. If a valve is slammed shut, the water's momentum is instantly arrested. The kinetic energy converts into a pressure spike that propagates backwards through the pipe, a phenomenon known as the inertia effect. The critical rule for liquid lines is simple. Always operate large valves slowly, taking ample time to close them, especially those handling high volumes or high velocities. In steam systems, the cause is the accumulation and movement of condensate, water. As steam condenses in a cold pipe, water collects along the bottom. If live steam is then introduced too quickly, it picks up this water, forming a high-velocity slug. When this slug hits a bend, a partially opened valve, or a restriction, the impact creates the violent hammer sound. Prevention here is a multi-step discipline. 1. Condensate drainage and trapping. Steam lines must be designed with proper downward slope towards drain pockets. These pockets must be fitted with correctly sized and meticulously maintained steam traps. A steam trap automatically discharges condensate without wasting live steam. A failed or blocked steam trap is a direct path to water hammer. Regular inspection and repair of these traps are non-negotiable. 2. Slow warm-up procedure. When admitting steam to a cold line, the most critical safety rule applies: crack the valve. Open the main steam valve to the line just slightly, allowing a small, controlled flow of steam. This gently raises the temperature of the pipe, minimizing rapid condensation and slowly pushing any accumulated air and water out through the drains without forming dangerous water slugs. Only after the pipe has fully warmed up and the drains are visibly running condensate-free should the valve be fully opened. This slow process prevents the steam from creating the high-velocity wave that precedes the hammer. 3. Proper valve usage. Engineers must use the correct valve type. Globe valves are generally used for throttling and flow regulation, while gate valves are for on-off isolation service. Using a gate valve to regulate flow, partially opening it, can create obstructions and turbulence that worsen water accumulation. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.